please do not feed the elk. No promises. That's an elk. Just finishing up this hike, and there were no elk. We had to go to the bathroom like for 3 miles though, and all the bathrooms were locked. Didn't realize there were seasonal bathrooms in a public park on a 7-mile trail where, I mean, you can pee on any tree, but there's like a bunch of people around. You probably don't want to do that for public indecency. I did that.